Welcome to Dealer Hero 20 Groups. This quick tutorial will show you how to submit your monthly key performance indicators and explain what each one means so you can unlock the full power of your data.
Our key performance indicators, or KPIs, are powersports specific and tailored for dealerships like yours. You can submit the Level 1, also known as the Elite 8, Level 2, or the Sweet 16, and the bonus Big 10 for deeper insights into profit drivers in your dealership. Submitting every month opens the door to powerful reports and peer benchmarking. If you're new to KPI calculations, we recommend starting with Level 1, the Essentials. This is the simplest set of KPIs with one key indicator for each profit center. You'll enter current year data for the prior month as well as the prior year data for the same month. The Sweet 16 are the wildly important key indicators that cover the 5 profit centers as well as gross profit margins, operating overhead to provide a more clear diagnosis of dealership profitability. The bonus, Big 10, KPIs are submitted in addition to the Elite 8 or the Sweet 16. We recommend Level 2, Sweet 16 KPIs plus the bonus Big 10. This gives you the most comprehensive 360-degree view of both wildly important indicators and profitability drivers.
Be sure to exclude any non-powersports data like RVs, boats, e-bikes, or lawn equipment. Clean powersports-only data makes comparisons meaningful for all. Let's jump into it.
The Elite 8 KPIs are foundational. If you're starting with these, you're still unlocking meaningful performance data. However, if you're submitting Level 2 Sweet 16 KPIs, then you can skip these, because these are included in Level 2 submissions. Let's walk through the Sweet 16 KPIs and how to calculate each one.
These variable operations KPIs show the health of your new, used, and F&I profit centers. New powersports, major unit gross profit per vehicle retailed. New powersports, major unit gross margin percentage. Used major unit gross profit per vehicle retailed. Used gross margin percentage. Floor plan interest expense per new vehicle retailed. And finally, finance and insurance income per vehicle retailed, including the documentation fee income.
Next, we'll take a look at service and parts performance. These include average hours per repair order cashiered, parts, accessories, and apparel, gross profit per employee hour worked in the parts department, and parts department, gross margin percentage.
The operating expense KPIs help you keep an eye on overhead expenses as a percentage of sales, such as personnel expenses, facility expenses, as well as administrative expenses, and selling expenses percentage.
And finally, we track operating profit and volume. This includes operating profit margin percentage, the total number of new powersports major units retailed, and used major units retailed.
Now let's look at the optional Big 10 KPIs, the key profit drivers that really move the needle.
These 3 KPIs show daily productivity and efficiency, tires sold PVR, major units retailed per over-the-counter parts transactions, and effective labor rate.
These 7 KPIs track your F&I product success. Finance penetration rate, the number of new and used major units financed at your dealerships as a percentage of total major units retailed. Extended service contract penetration rate. Theft product protection. Gap insurance. Tire and wheel protection. Prepaid maintenance programs. And battery protection, such as battery for life protection. For example, ESC penetration rate is simply the percentage of units sold with an extended service contract. Just divide ESC units sold by total new and used units retailed.
The Knowledge Hub is where you'll submit your monthly KPIs, whether that's the Elite 8, Sweet 16, or the bonus Big 10, and unlock powerful reports like the Summit KPI report for unmatched performance insights. Submitting is simple. Go to HeroHub.com and click Login. Enter your Dealer Hero credentials. Open the Dealer Hero 20 Groups course. Click KPI Submissions and choose your level. Elite 8, Sweet 16, and optionally the bonus Big 10. If you submit the Sweet 16, there's no need to do the Elite 8 separately. The bonus Big 10 is optional but highly recommended.
You'll submit KPIs each month for the previous month. Forms open by the 5th of every month and close the 3rd Thursday at 10 p.m. Eastern. Your reports will be ready ahead of your next 20-group meeting, held on the second Wednesday of each month.
Based on what you submit, you'll receive one of these powerful reports. The Elite 8 KPI report, the Sweet 16 KPI report, or the Dealer Hero Summit KPI report if you submit Sweet 16 and Big 10. Dealers in the average of the top 20 percentile range for any Summit 20 KPI are highlighted, adding energy, competition, and clear targets for every session.
You're now ready to submit your KPIs. Remember to keep it clean, keep it PowerSport specific, and to submit your data on time. The data drives the dialogue, and the dialogue drives your results. We'll see you at the summit.